Nakaichi. Welcome to my small, very small, humble house. Yes, and of course, we're not born with golden spoon. We born in the... We born. Diba? Na maging masipag. Yes. And of course, this one is... Thank you so much. And of course, this one is a beef. Beef is spicy Korean style. Binigay ng ating kasina niya. I'm always thanks sa kanya na hindi na ako nakapagluto. So kasi super busy tayo and we not feel better. So that's why. And it's Saturday for today. Kumusta ka bilang of JW? Siyempre, eto na. This one is beef, is spicy. And they put some noodles in here. This one. And meron siyang talk. This one is medyo Pokemon. Sabado na naman. Ano eh? Oh my god. It's the month of cherry blossom na pala. Kiniking Korea, kiniking Japan, and of course kiniking Europe. Sabihin ka rin, nakagawa na mo yung vlog, but alikaya pa ka-edit. Today's very special day. If you are new, my channel, please subscribe and comment down below the RW. JW, yung mga superhero. Yeah, we always inspired. Siyempre, never expired. How can we make money? And of course, towards pamamagitan ng ating kasipagan, ang ating kayamanan. Wherever we go, we need to be more patient, humble. We need to work hard to make money. And of course, fulfill our dream come true. Siyempre, bago tayo kumita ng pera, kailangan muna natin pagtarabauhan yan at paghirapan yan. Parang pag-ibig lang yan. Yes, pinaghirapan, nagmamahal ng katotohanan. Uy! Ganun talaga ang buhay. Sometimes, love, it affect to the work. And of course, work, it affected to the love. Pasya lang kita, gagawa lang akong content. Siyempre, nagagandahan ako sa mga cherry blossom na to, sa mga sakura. And it means sa mga sakura trees. And of course, it's look beautiful. And of course, it symbolizes about the love. Ito na, mag-ano na ako. Yes, dadaan na ako dito sa pedestrian. And of course, I'm gonna go to home to eat. Siyempre, habang ako ay gumagawa ng vlog, makipagchismisan at makipagkwentuhan muna ako sa'yo. Siyempre, dito sa aking vlog, tulad ng reels ko sa Facebook page, Lawrence San, ikaw lagi ang bida. Dito naman, siyempre, ikaw ang bida. Sino pa? Ikaw ang sa kwento. Ako ang bida, ako ang kontrabida, ako na lahat-lahat. Ganun lang ang buhay natin. Parang sa pamilya, parang sa pag-ibig. Siyempre, ganun lang yun. But we always remember, we always inspired, never expired. So mga Jawer cards, ito, lumalakas ng ulan. And of course, right now, it's a little bit like cold and it is so a little bit like a cloudy right in here in Korea. Just all we do, gonna going home, eat, and of course because we work after an hour. It's Saturday night, pag Sabado. Siyempre, what you thinking about? You're thinking about many things, splendid things, sometimes fine with us, and of course, the honesty is too much. So, tara, sa aking bahay, lumalakas na ang ulan. Tara king balik home. Welcome to my humble house. Finally, I'm in here. So, meron tayong like this one. Hindi ako kasi menesa eh. And I just bought this one in convenience store, and we got a beef spicy Korean soup. So I'm gonna make it hot in the microwave para magkain na tayo, chismisan ba sa mga tungkol sa mga love at sa love tsaka sa work syempre. Ating ko pong sing meto niyang tempokan ama na kaichi. Welcome to my small, very small, humble house. Yes, and of course, we're not born with golden spoon. We born in the... We born. Diba? Na maging masipag. Yes. And of course, this one is... Thank you so much. And of course, this one is a beef. beef is spicy Korean style. Binigay ng ating kasina niya. I'm always thanks sa kanya na hindi na ako nakapagluto. So, kasi super busy tayo and we not feel better. So, that's why. And it's Saturday for today. Kumusta ka bilang of JW? Siyempre, eto na. This one is beef. It's spicy. And they put some noodles in here. This one. And meron siyang talk. This one is, they put some, what do you call that talk? Is they call this like rice cake something. And it ribs. This one is really good. Lalo na sa mga nagkakasakit, nilalaglat, lalo na sa panahon ito. Oh my God, take note. We need to be careful because it's too big outside. The weather, especially in the night time, or when we get at work, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Sometimes it's really the weather is cold. And in the afternoon, it's a little bit warm. So, tamang-tama ito. We need to eat healthy foods, and of course, soup, yung mga bulalo, yung mga tinola, or healthy foods talaga pag asa Middle East tayo. Kasi we need work hard at kailangan natin ng healthy foods. Yes! Ganun lang ang buhay natin. Yes, so I'm gonna try right now. This one is really good with rice. And imagine that the beef is really tender. It was so yummy, and it's really spicy, bro. It's really good. Binyadim Winnie. Saka, siyempre, gawa akong video kasi. And sometimes, I use my language because isa tayong Kapampangan. Imagine that. They put a potato in here. Yeah. This one. Like, they put a potato. But the potato is really delicious. You can taste it. It was so tender, delicious, and yummy. Wow. And I like the noodles. Wow. This one I think like it looks like a Japanese version, but they bought in Japanese restaurant. But it looks like a Korean style. So with kimchi. Wow. Kain na tayo. And this one is look like a 3 or 4 serving. Siyempre kaluguran. Diba? Kailangan tamang healthy food. Kasi right now we're not getting younger. We're getting older. Especially when we work in overseas. We need to take care of ourselves. We have time, exercise, vitamins, and healthy foods. Diba? Kasi isa lang ating katawan. Especially pag nagkasakit tayo, naku! Tayo lang. Wala sila. Our family, they are back home. But emotionally, physically, we feel them. We feel the love tonight. Parang pag-ibig lang yan. Hamakin ang lahat. Maging sino ka man. Kung naniniwala ka sa kasabihan, pinulot ka lang sa lupo! Alam mo ba, ang kasipagan, ang kayamanan, yun ang tunay na himalo! Oh my God, it's really good. Tama ng drama-drama, kain na tayo. This one is really good. It was so tender, diba? It's really good. I like it spicy, but not really like it spicy. But sometimes, some noodles, like it's really the salmon is 4 times. It's really spicy. Wow. One more. And I like the soup. It's really good. It's super spicy. Big shout out to you. How are you, Alice? Did you eat? Say hi to your family. So yummy. It's not passed up. And then one more. Ang sarap. Beef Korean soup. Ang sarap. Thank you so much. Kasing. Asin. Napakasarap niya, di ba? Kaya binigay lang sa atin to. So, I cannot afford to buy this one. So, I got leftover. So, later pa yan para makatipid tayo. Alam mo naman bilang isang OFW, we need to save money. But, first of all, we need to take care of ourselves. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Tama na. Mapala siya. Pinapalaban ko. Maparasya kasi. Pero manyaman niya, imagine that. Milako ko talaga lagnat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, and this is your Korean Angel. Never tried to share my story. And this is the content for our today. A little bit like a travel vlog, food trip, and everything among upon situation. And thank you so much. Please do subscribe my channel, leave a comment down below. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, and happy April Fools! Full of love. April is full of love. So, abangan nyo ang segment natin ng Lemon Puso. Bye-bye!